If you're just starting out or you're a seasoned gardener, having the right hose nozzle is essential. A good nozzle can help you water your plants more efficiently and effectively, and it can also make gardening more enjoyable. In this video, we're going to review the top 6 hose nozzles for gardening. We'll take a look at all the different features and benefits of each nozzle, so you can decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're looking for a hose nozzle with multiple spray patterns, a high-pressure nozzle, or a nozzle that's easy to use, we've got you covered. So stay tuned, and let's find the best hose nozzle for your garden. Number 1. INAV8 Heavy Duty Garden Hose Nozzle. The INAV8 nozzle boasts a unique thumb control design. It's not just easy to use, it's also designed with your comfort in mind. The soft rubberized no-slip grip ensures you can comfortably hold this sprayer for extended periods. It offers a whopping 10 watering patterns. Whether you need a high-pressure jet for cleaning or a gentle shower for your delicate plants, this nozzle has you covered. Number 2. VIKING 912601 High-Pressure Garden Hose Nozzle. This nozzle offers a whopping 8 spray patterns and pressure levels. Whether you need a gentle mist for your plants or a high-pressure stream for cleaning the patio, this nozzle has you covered. It's perfect for demanding tasks like washing your car or blasting away dirt and grime from outdoor surfaces. It not only feels comfortable to hold, but also ensures a secure grip even when your hands are wet. Number 3. Almadirect ALMA 1028 Garden Hose Nozzle. This nozzle has a wide variety of spray patterns, from a gentle mist to a powerful jet. This makes it perfect for a wide range of gardening tasks, from watering delicate plants to cleaning your patio. The nozzle is made of high-quality zinc alloy and ABS plastic, with a rubber coating that makes it very durable. The nozzle has a 3x4-inch brass connector end that fits all standard hoses in the United States. Number 4. AUTOMAN Heavy Duty Garden Hose Nozzle. The AUTOMAN Garden Hose Nozzle boasts 7 adjustable watering patterns, each designed for a specific purpose. The spray nozzle is constructed from high-quality ABS plus TPR, making it not only robust but also incredibly lightweight. One of the standout features is its compatibility. This nozzle fits all standard garden hoses with a 3x4-inch diameter garden hose thread, GHT. Number 5. RESTMO High-Pressure Garden Hose Nozzle. The RESTMO nozzle is built like a tank. Its body and trigger are made from 100% powder-coated metal, which means it's rust-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and built to last. The flow control knob allows you to adjust the water pressure for each of these spray patterns. The RESTMO nozzle is designed with your comfort in mind. It's coated with a soft TPU material and features a non-slip grip. Number 6. Besiter Heavy Duty Garden Hose Nozzle. It's built to last, offering great strength and durability. Whether you have low water pressure or high, this nozzle delivers a powerful stream of water, making your watering tasks a breeze. This nozzle offers an impressive 10 different spray patterns, from a gentle mist for delicate plants to a powerful jet for cleaning tasks. The clearly marked options make switching between spray patterns a breeze. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews and tips. And don't forget to check out the links in the description below to learn more about the hose nozzles we reviewed in this video. We'll see you next time.